How to fix error in message stream. ChatGPT problem. To do this, we open our browser. Then, click the three dots in the top right, and then Settings. After opening Settings, click Privacy and Security from the left menu. Then click Third-Party Cookies and then see All Site Data and Permissions. The next thing we need to do is type ChatGPT into the search bar and clear the cache files. We will also do this for OpenAI. Accumulated cache files can cause such problems when using ChatGPT. After clearing the cache files, click Extensions at the bottom left and turn off the extensions. After turning off the extensions, you can check whether the error in message stream ChatGPT problem is solved or not. If you continue to experience the problem as an alternative solution, you can use Opera or Brave browsers instead of Chrome. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.